Magandang araw sa lahat. Is a counterclaim or a counter charge in a criminal action allowed by our rules of criminal procedure? The answer is no. Well, this issue has been brought about by so many individuals consulting us on this. They are complainants in a criminal action, and they were threatened by the family of the person they're accusing, or even the person they're accusing, saying that they will file a counter charge against them. I repeat, once a criminal action is filed in court, this is not allowed by our rules on criminal procedure. So, there is nothing to fear of, right? So, if you believe that you are indeed a victim of a crime, go on. Proceed with the criminal action. No worry of the threats on counter-charge or counter-claim. Mga kababayan, pangkaraniwan ito. Noon pa, ang dami ng ganito. Tinatakot sila ng pamilya ng kanilang dinidemanda o yung mismong dinidemanda mismo. Sige, subukan yung sampahan kami ng kaso. Magsampa din kami ng counter-charge. Wala ito sa ating rules on criminal procedure. Hindi ito pinapayagan. Kaya huwag kayong matakot. But, of course naman, yung accused has remedies thereafter. Meaning, after the termination of the criminal action, pwede naman siyang magsampa ng counterclaim. Pero napakahirap. Halimbawa, na-absuelto. Bakit kaya na-absuelto? Because of reasonable doubt. Malabo na makalusot siya sa kanyang criminal complaint or criminal charge or civil complaint against the accuser. So, napakahirap. Ang mahalaga lang naman kung ikaw ang complainant ay nagsasabi ka ng katotohanan at pawang katotohanan at wala ka namang dapat ikatakot sa tinatawag na countercharge nila. Okay, sana nakapaglingkod na naman itong aming tanggapan para sa kaalaman sa maraming mamamayang Pilipino sa kaalaman ng batas. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.